Yeah. Yeah, that's right. You hold. That's right. Good. You lean like that. You hold a wall, just like that. That's it. Yeah, we're coming. I hear there's a waterfall.
I would roll it like so.
Good, Logan. That's it. Yeah.
I would behind it and it would float.
You went through the waterfall. You're doing well, Logan. This way. And then hold this rock down. Like that. That's it. That's it. You're doing great. Good. That's it. Good boy. And then you're here. Logan, look. And then you're here. Now let him use his hands. It's all right. He's doing well. That's it. Aha. And then you come. Look. And then we're back on dry land. It is a bit dry. Is there a waterfall I hear? Whoa. Emmanuel, stop rushing. Could you encourage Logan? Logan, you come in. Nice and easy. Hold on. That's it, Logan. Perfect. All right, where is this waterfall I hear? Whoa! Whoa! I am. No way. Are you all right, Emmanuel? Are you all right? Okay. Be careful. Yeah, it's very slippery. Oh, this is nice. Oh man. Oh man, this is. Does it hurt? Will it hurt your head? Is it that strong? Is it that strong? Will it hurt your head? Okay, in that case, I need my helmet on, don't I? Come, Logan. Whoa. That perhaps would be the second time under a waterfall. Yeah. I'm not going to drink it. Is it fresh water? All right, I'm going in. I'm going in. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh. Yes, this is so cold. Oh, my God. All right. All right. We're under a waterfall, people. Oh, man. Yeah. Come on. Come on, then. Oh, man. Are you all right there? Yes, it's cold. No one told me it was cold. I don't know. I expected it to be normal temperature. Oh. Are you all right, Tima? This is amazing. Under a waterfall. Logan, come. I'm going to get Logan. Oh, whoa, yeah. It's amazing. What are you Logan, come. Come. Yes, I am well. Thank you very much. So are you. All right. Oh, look at that. Logan, you want to try? Come on. Yeah, it's good. It's very cold. Just a warning, it's very, very cold. All right. Nice and easy. Yeah, nice and easy. That's it. Oh, man, this is amazing. The last time I came here, this wasn't here. Or shall I say, I did not see it. I did not see it. Oh, wow. It's amazing. You going in, Logan? Shall I go with you? You want to go on the other side? Sure, come on. It's alright, he wants to do it himself. He said no, because he wants to do it himself. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Yeah.
It's like the gates of hell.
What? No, it's not a gates of hell. Gates of hell don't look like this. You're expecting fire. It's more like heaven. Come on, Logan. That's it. Shall we go in together, Logan? You and I. Shall we go in together? Or are you going to do yourself? Are you going in again? You're thinking about it. Alright, Logan. Shall we do this? You and I? Oh, Logan and I going in. Oh, you're going to the back. Very smart. Are you alright, Rachel? You don't look alright. Whoa! Oh man, this is cold. Are you coming, Logan? Come on. Come, yeah, you can go in. Oh, this is amazing. You should try, Sonny. Yeah, I know it's cold. Come on, Logan. Oh, a photo. We're taking a photo. Come on. Guys, a photo. A photo. Are you ready? Everyone ready? Photo together. Whoa! Yeah! 3. Logan, are you ready? 2. Yeah! Yeah. Now let me finish our activities first, yeah? Alright. Alright, Logan? Where's Logan? Ah, there he is. Alright. This is awesome. Yeah. Look at your hair, it's all wet. Meant to be. Yeah. This is amazing. Oh. Come, Logan. Come on. Oh, this is amazing. I recommend to everybody. Yeah, I recommend to everybody. What do you think, Logan? Yeah? Come on, let's go.